Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. I'm your host Mayank, and today we are going to make the episode 2 of the Automate with Code series. And this is going to be something interesting because in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a bot which will track prices from Amazon, Flipkart, and any website which you like to buy things from. So if you are new, then hit that subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications from Video Tech directly on mobile phones. And if you have not watched my previous video, then click on this I button up somewhere here and you will be able to watch that video as well. So without wasting any time, let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so we are ready for the tutorial. Not tutorial, it's just going to be a fast forward thing, and you can find the complete code in the description below. You check out the description for the code. So today we are going to do this thing. Let me show you. Okay, so this is our problem. I have to purchase some product from online store, but right now the price of the product is not in my budget. But if that may come down a little between a certain range which I'm going to specify in the code, I will be able to buy it. Now I also don't want to check for the price of the product each day manually by opening the website and checking it manually. So this is my problem statement, and I'm going to automate this task by creating a bot which will scrap the data and it will look for the price change, and if the price is between a certain range, then it will alert me by sending me an email which is having the link to the URL and also showing me the price change. And these are the to-do list, task list, and I will be reading the task 1 and then coding, and after the code is complete I will show you what I've done. The first task is to parse the website content and get all the contents using some Python library, Beautiful Soup. We will be using Beautiful Soup, which is a Python library, and this library is used to fetch all the data from a website, and the data of the website is all the structure of the website. Let me show you what is the structure of the website. So we'll be using Flipkart for our example, and this is the product which I want to buy, and this is the price. So what's the data which Beautiful Soup will fetch? So this is the entire data which Beautiful Soup will fetch. This is the HTML. So without making any delay, let's start with the first thing and get all the data into my Python code right here. Okay guys, so we are done with the first task. So let me show you what we are getting. So I've imported the Beautiful Soap from the BS4 library, and I've also imported the request from the request library, which is the HTTP library. And request will help us get a connection, secure connection between the URL this and get its content and its in source. And Beautiful Soup will fetch the source and it will apply the HTML parser onto the source content, and it will show you the content of HTML which is shown in the terminal right here. So our first task is complete. Okay, so as we are done with the first task, so right now we will move on to the second task, and the second task is to locate the element which have the specified product price, and I have to store that value inside an integer variable. So let me show you what we want. So we want this value here, and I don't want the rupee symbol and the comma. So in this task I have to fetch this value. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Okay guys, so now we are able to fetch this value. So let me show you. Actually I iterated a for loop, and this is a item which is finding in all which is finding from this array. So this is having an array value which is having all the divs which has a class this one. let's go further and get the actual value. Okay guys, so right now we are able to get this value. So this value exactly, let me show you. This is the value which we are getting, 49,900 rupees. But the actual issue is that we are getting the rupee symbol and a comma. So we have to split this string into an array, so that after it's split into array, we will fetch the first part, which will have this rupee and 49, and the second part will be 900, because this splitting function will split the word whenever it find a comma. So we have one comma, so it will split the word into two values, rupee 49 and 900. So 900 is fine, we will convert that into integer, but we have to again split the rupee 49 into array and then convert that thing into 49, and at the last we will convert the entire thing into a string and then to a number. So let's do this. Guys, so right now let me show you. We are getting the final value 4990, which is a string value, which is an integer value. So it's stored in final price value. So we have done all this task here to format that thing and remove the rupee symbol and the comma to get that integer value. So now we are halfway done. So let's check the second thing. Okay, so actually pass the value of the price and remove its prefix, suffix and convert it into number. So we are also done with this. So we have done three things right now. Okay guys, so we are done with the three things. So right now we are moving on to the fourth thing, and now check if the price value fall between the required price value or not. So I'm going to make two price values. The first will be, initial value will be 48,000 and the max value will be 49,000. So if the price fall between 48 to 49,000, it will send me the alert. So let's begin. So yeah guys, we are done with this thing. So we have checked the price value, which I can show you. This is a code for that, and right now we are going to go to send the email. For that, first you have to switch on the access for the less secure apps by going to this website. You can see the URL. Just click this on and you are good to go to send email from the Python code. So we have done that also. And now we will prepare the product link, price template, and also the email code. So let's do this. So guys, we are done with the code right now. So let me show you. Let's take this and let me show the email thing. We have BC none message meme multipart. That is just for having a type of message which we are sending. From here you have to enter the from address. So here I will enter my Gmail address, and the subject should be this will be the subject, and the entire text will be this, which I have made, and it will be attached to the message. and here you have to write your email address, your Gmail ID password. So this I will be doing off the video, so that many of you, the geeks which are watching this video right now and does not be able to hack into my account, I will not be showing that. And this is the SMTP library which I was talking. So this will create a connection on the port 587. We are using Gmail as our email client. So this is the connection. Start the TTLS, do all the things, and email is sent. That's it. So I will be back in the demo in a moment. Okay guys, so I'm ready with the demo example. So I've entered the password and the Gmail ID in the file which you can see in the left, price tracker bot. And I'm not gonna open that file because it's having my email ID and password, which might be hacked by some of you. Let's just run this Python script. And right now the price have not been changed on the website, 49,900. So it will go and fetch that price, and if this price is between 48,000 to 49,000, or including those things as well, then it will send me a mail that the price is fall down and you can go and buy the link, buy from that link. Price is not fell down, then also it will alert me that the price is not fell down through email. Just enter no change in price, line 31. Line 31 is just for testing, and yeah, emails should be there. Yeah, we got the email. No change in price. Hi, mind. No change in price. You can see here iPhone XR. Thank you. A lovely watch. You have seen that this thing works like a piece of cake, and I hope you all enjoyed this short and simple video. Okay, guys. So actually, I missed to tell you one thing, that once these all things are done, we want this to be done automatically. Not I am not going to do this manually every day, going to the site and checking that thing or running that script manually. I want this script to run automatically every day at 11 a.m. so that I don't have to do this again and again. So for that, on Windows you can search for Chrome tab, and on Mac OS there is called Chrome tab. So we will be doing this, and this will automate our task. Just enjoy. First of all, I have to make that thing an executable task. Like this is also a bot, so I have to make that thing executable thing. So I have to search how I did that. So let me do that first. So guys, I have entered the registry of that file. First you have to create a shell script for your Python code, so that that shell script, whenever that and then that shell script should be executable. So whenever this cron tab will fire this shell script, it will execute, and that shell script should have the Python command which you use to run that file. So once that is done, it will send you that email every day. So hope for the best, and at the end you have to use W2. You can use this link. Pause the video, use the link, and use this link to do all those things, and you are good to go. W2, and we are done. Now we will see cron tab happening. We have two registries. Cool. We are Okay guys, so I hope you all enjoyed this short and fast forward video which I made today. And if you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up, and if you don't like, then you can hit that dislike button as well. And please comment down your opinions and suggestions for my next video, and how much you like this video, so that I can improve a lot. And this series which is automation with code, which I'm using Python. So this series will get more beautiful, and I will be able to enhance my knowledge as well. So please keep on commenting the suggestions for my next automation video, and till then I will see you in my next video. Till then, happy watching. Jai Hind.